guys, ngayong araw kami ay lalabas ng aking asawa dahil sabi ko sa kanya ibili niya ako ng garden tools dahil gusto ko na talagang mag-garden. And then, ngayon nga, bago siya pumasok, lalabas muna kami. So, yun lang. Alas na kami. Adjust lang ako. And then, get ready. You said we're going to garden shop. They are still closed, isn't it?
So it didn't open until 9. We'll go on Thursday.
Oh yeah. So we're going to B&Q. I hope they have gardening tools.
They do. I know they do. Whether they have what you want is a different thing.
Yeah.
They do have gardening tools.
I want to plant some vegetable leaves. We still have one month of summer, isn't it? Yeah? I don't have short inside. Is it not cold? I'm just worried when I...
Go and open the door and find out.
Where's the other... Ouch. I'll wear two coats. If it's 15 degrees. I'm gonna check if it's cold outside. It's not too bad because it's now windy. Naman. I think we'll be fine.
You've locked the door?
Check it. Not so sure if I thought I did it. Yeah. Sometimes, even though I thought I locked it, it was not locked.
You got the house key?
Yeah, it's on my pocket.
You'll need your house key to lock the door.
Yeah. Hey guys, I'm weak.
Come on then.
I'll get some water. I'm a bit thirsty. Do you have water in your van? So, ayan guys, aalis na kami. And titingin ang garden tools. Parang garden na. Yes. Ay! See? Aray ko! Hirap na mailak na ito. Uy, I can lock it! Oh, you have water. It's so windy.
Water bottles.
Is it raining? Oh, so she is awake now and kicking.
You know she's going out in the van.
Okay.
What was I buying on there?
What is this? Mapesil, Sealand Brown, Leo Color Tester Almonds, Good Home Wood,
Yeah.
If Scotia?
Scotia.
Huh?
It's pronounced Scotia.
Scotia?
Yeah.
It's not Scotia like Scotland.
Yeah, Scotia. It's pronounced Scotia.
Scotia.
Scotia Mognian or Scotia.
Scotia.
It's a strange word.
Hope they have garden tools.
They do have already checked.
Well, online?
Yeah.
It's a B&Q.
And all these people saying they're having trouble with the diesel particle filter.
Are they open?
Yep.
28. Where's the entrance here?
Well, let me do this bit first and then we'll go. This is the exit, this is the entrance.
Babalik lamang siya ng sobra.
I'm going to buy some of that one in a minute.
For the van? Oh, ganda.
I'm going to go out and come back in.
Ah, itong ganda. So pretty. Ganda ng flowers. Oh, 16 pound. Ito 8 pound. How much is this? 16. Oh. Sobrang mahal. Ang ganda guys. Ay, may kalamansi ulit sila. So, ito may kalamansi. Ang laki naman nito. Parang hindi ito kalamansi. Yes, sumabog na. Ito, kalamansi. 4?
For the bins.
You're gonna put
I'm gonna
number,
zoom
house
that.
number?
So, what you're looking at here only come 1 year. You want year after year here, the perennials, which is the next over here.
Let's see then. Dami nilang flowers kasi hindi naman to ano sa ay ganda. Hmm. 2 for 16. I want the flowers that sleep during the winter
These?
and then bloom.
Yeah, perennial every year.
Where? Every year. This? What is
All
this?
of them. All these, look. You don't
Maob
look
na.
flowering year after year.
So expensive. Year after
It's only
year.
one a month.
Ganda. I forgot what the one that I asked you like rose, but it's not a rose.
Carnation.
Carnation. Do it is survive during winter?
I don't know where you'll find the carnation.
I want to plant flowers in front of the house. Oh, these are the roses. Oh, yung daming rose. Ang ganda. So beautiful. Ay, gusto ko ng rose. I think rose survive during winter. Ay, may grapes. Buti hindi ako nagdala ng grapes. Buy me some grapes. Expensive. 10 pound. Starwood. Grapes. But 10 pound ang mahal naman.
Yeah.
Why they're so expensive? No, but look for the variety. I think this is sour. Look at the leaves. It's not gonna continue the fruits, you know. Because it's if you're just new planted the grapes, you have to take off all the fruits and flowers. Just started. They are so expensive. I rather buy plants than pots. Mahal-mahal. Garden Center.
Garden Centre, Thursday. Right, let's look.
Let me see how much they rose. 2 for 18. 10,
And if you want some instant colour,
24.
yeah, you want some
This is the hydrangea, look.
You want some instant colour,
Huh?
then you buy some one season. And if you buy something that would be quite a variegated hydrangea like that,
Ang mahal naman, 15.
eh?
It's so expensive.
Yeah, because it comes back and you only buy it once, that's why it's expensive.
Oh, but there's hydrangea like a mixed color, you know. These are just one colors. Come on.
Come on. Well, you gotta.
Where did you park? How much did you refunded? 27. And then you paid
What's the refund? Page 9?
8
9.
8.50. Yeah, around 9. Ang lamig. So, ayan. Binalik niya yung sobrang kahoy sa bahay. Tapos, na-refund 27. Binayaran na lang 8.50 na lang.
So this was £2.
Ah! Tapos na kami. Ang tools lang yung binili namin. Dahil, hindi akong pagtanim ng mga petchay. Gusto ko nang tanim ng petchay. Uwi na kami, guys. Lamig sa labas. Parang 14-15 degree na kami. Ouch!
I'm going to use the dust pan and brush now.
We're home. Dito ako mas bahay. Ako sa na susi. Ang nilagay. Lamig din sa labas. Ang init dito sa loob ng bahay namin. Diba? So, nakabili na ng tools sa wakas. Anong oras na? So, 9 a.m. na. And mamaya-maya, papasok na yung aking asawa. So, dalawa yung coat ko sa loob. Pansit ko na malaga ako. Degree nga lang sa labas kaya pala medyo malamig. So, ito yung tools, guys, na nabili namin. Mukha naman siya matibay. Stainless. Ito. Medyo malaki pero okay na to. So, ang ganda niya, makapal. So, sana maliit na. Okay na to. Mahal yung maliit, parang 14 pounds. Ano yung maliit yung mahal? Yeah, it's nice to have a plants here, you know, in front of the window. But they're so expensive. I want to put some plants also in the toilet. On the window.
Yeah.
To make it more lively. A real plants, not a plastic one. But they're 4 pounds, 5 pounds.
Look, they are what they are. You've just got to pay.
Yeah, but they're expensive.
You've just got to pay it. Doesn't matter.
5 pounds is how much in the Philippines?
Doesn't matter how much you have in the Philippines. You're not in the Philippines.
If 10 is 750, isn't it?
So,
700.
your washing machines are so expensive.
Which washing machine?
In the Philippines, washing machines are so expensive compared to here. But you've got to pay what you pay.
Why the plants are expensive? They're dying. It's only,
Your food is expensive.
it's only 35
But
pesos.
you've got to pay.
Food is a necessity, you know. Plants are not.
Do you want to eat or do you want to starve to death? You pay the money.
plants, you won't eat the plants. They're just decorations.
You want plants or not?
Yeah, I know. I'm gonna cut some of this.
Do you want to car? Yes or no? It's the same thing.
Wash, squeeze, throw. So, hello guys. Ipe-prepare ko lang ngayon yung baon ni Mister sa work. So, nag-cut lang siya ng alam ng mag-cut. So, kunin ko lang dito sa fridge. So, ayan. Hindi tatlong sandwich lang yung kinakain niya. Ay, binabaon niya. Yun, kinakain. So, prepare ko lang yan dyan. So, ito nga pala na to, binili lang namin sa grocery. Tapos, niluto lang niya. Pinakuluan niya. Ang sarap niya. Grabe, sinisipan pa ako. Tapos, lalagyan lang to ng mustard sauce. Hindi na nilalagyan ng tomato. Dati, naglalagay ako ng tomato sa baon niya. Ngayon, hindi na. Konting-konti lang, sabi niya. Ako ng kitchen towel kasi kinuha niya yung kitchen towel, nilagay niya sa van. Ayan, prepare ko lang to. So, ayan. Tapos ito, dito ang nalagay yung kaniyang grapes. Ayan. So, kukunin ko lang yung grapes. Ayan, itong dalawa. So, ayan guys. So, hugasan ko lang yung kaniyang fruits. Gamot na. Ayan, mag-iwa ang grapes. Ew. Ay. So, yan. Kaya inuhugasan ko muna yung grapes. Minsan may amag. Iyak. Alis na si Mr. guys. Alis na si Mr. guys. So, ayan guys. Feeling ko hindi ako makakapag-garden. Dahil maulan. Hindi naman maulan. Maambon. And then, ang lamig. So, ayan. Makikita nyo. Medyo basa yung yan, yung doorstep ng likod. Yung may pattern dyan. So, nakakatamad. Ayoko lumabas pag malamig kasi lalo akong sinisipon. So, hindi muna ako mag-garden. Bukas na lang siguro. Kasi ganyan nga, oh. Maulan.